Congratulations! You've reached the last lesson of this course. As I shared from the beginning of the course, I hear from entrepreneurs all the time that SEO is overwhelming and confusing. They end up ignoring it instead of embracing the opportunity. But that's not you. You made it to the end of this course. And as you learn throughout the course, SEO is a huge opportunity that you can take advantage of today. SEO is like 3 layers of a cake. The foundation is the keywords, the second layer is on-site SEO, and the third layer is off-site SEO. Now, if you want to take this analogy even further, there's a 4th step you can take. You can think of it like the icing on the cake. This step is to create habits to continuously optimize your SEO. SEO is not a tactic you do one time and you're done. It's an ongoing practice for marketing your business. Here are 4 tips that I use regularly to ensure I'm keeping up to date with my SEO. Number 1, every time I publish a new page, I do some quick keyword research to make sure I'm optimizing that page for the best search term. I do this based on the intent and the monthly search volume. Number 2, every week I check my organic search traffic in Google Analytics. Many keywords are seasonal, and your organic traffic will probably go up and down a bit week over week, but it's helpful to check in regularly to make sure things are trending in the right direction. Number 3, every quarter I check my search analytics in Google Search Console to see if there are any interesting keywords that I can improve my ranking for. I also check to see if Google has flagged any technical problems on my website that might be affecting my search engine optimization. And number 4, I pursue promotional opportunities for my website as often as I have time for. It could be press coverage, a guest posting opportunity, an influencer partnership, or something else that helps build a steady stream of backlinks and exposure. So as we wrap up, I want to encourage you to build habits to continue the work to grow your business with SEO. Thanks for joining me in this course. I encourage you to stay connected with my contact info below. Good luck and keep